Have you ever wondered what animals would think if they could understand our slang? Well, wonder no more. Imagine a big, wise elephant just munching on some leaves, overhearing a conversation. He turns to his friend and asks, "Excuse me, but what is this riz everyone keeps talking about? Is it some new, delicious vegetable I haven't tried yet? Can you picture that?" But wait, it gets better. Now, think of a young, chaotic goat just running around the farm. And instead of a normal baa, it just starts bleating skabidi, skabidi. And then, out of nowhere, Grandma Goat comes storming out, slipper in hand, and gives him a little whack. We do not use that kind of language in this household. It's a whole new world out there for our furry friends. What slang do you think would confuse your pet the most? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.